In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Facebook profile lock not showing up. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Before I start the tutorial, let me show you my profile. You see, there is no profile lock option. Let me show you how you can get that. First, go back to your home page and click on this menu icon. After come this menu page, you need to scroll down and expand settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now again, you need to scroll down and click on post and tap on who can see your future post and make it friends and save the changes. Now go back to previous step. After come this menu page, you need to tap on your profile and click on this three dot icon and click on turn off professional mode and click on continue and then click on turn off button and lastly click on close. Now refresh this page. Then you will find profile lock option will appear here. Now click on it and then lock your profile. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily fix Facebook profile lock option is not showing up.